Chainsaw carving of a groundhog. Here we're using Memwax spar urethane to coat this groundhog to seal it for outdoor weather. This groundhog was carved from a cherry log, and then it was burnt with a torch to darken it up, and now we're using spar urethane to coat it to seal it from the weather. This makes about 4 coats we've put on it. A company contracted me to do this for their company. They're going to put it in a park next to their company where people can see it. Here's the groundhog's hands, and there's his feet. This groundhog is about 6 foot tall and probably weighs 200 or 300 pounds. That's a big groundhog. Here we'll make sure we get everything coated. Another coat on the top of the head. We want to make sure it's sealed good. There's an Indian chief in the background that I've carved. It'll be ready next after I get this one finished. That's one big groundhog. Cherry wood makes a beautiful carving. Here's the feet. We're giving them another coat. This is a beautiful carving of a groundhog. This will be ready to display for the company that purchased it on Groundhog's Day. Here's the eyes we'll put in. These are glass eyes. It makes it look just a little more natural with glass eyes. Makes it look like it's looking at you. So I hope you like the groundhog.